Guys, she give away herself while ago. She tell me about she eat her full like mango then. She get award, guys. Me I go cover up piece her name because yeah. So see there, guys, she get award. Yeah, you happy? Alright, guys, check in. So just I leave the store now. Pay the cash. So him say by 2 to 3 days we can come back for it and get it, guys. Meet up with Auntie Sham. Yeah, and Sarah drive. Boom. Alright, guys, check in. Welcome back to Josh Lifestyle. JA. You don't know, it's a boy Josh, and right now I'm heading to my sister's graduation. You know. Yeah, man. So I don't know if you can hear my voice, guys. I'm a little bit under the weather, you know. So I'm just show you. So guys, the man with on the move. Yeah, and I don't know if the lighting good, guys. But yeah. So this is my little sister's graduation. That's Jaylin. Yeah, man. So guys, go and lock in. Go and watch her go on. Tell me.
No, sorry.
Oh God. Ricky, oh God.
Yeah, show your move. Me like how you move.
Oh, there, man.
So why you avoid me June the 6th of my birthday? Why you avoid me June?
What do you mean? June the 6th? Me never.
Gone.
How many
You
days?
there at Jamaica, you know. So you about to tell me a long time you come here, you know. Just stop avoid me, my youth.
Me not avoid them. Me never there.
What time now?
Me never up here.
Me know, because I don't say other things where you do, but me glad where you do, but just not avoid me, man.
No, man. Me not avoid them, man. We would never do that. Me not think me the up here still.
No, me see you for one of that venue that time there.
Which part me
You
there?
know, no, me you that do something, man. And your mom that do, yeah, mom. Yeah,
Oh.
so, but me not feel no way, but Josh, now avoid me, Josh, man.
Your friend Josh?
No, man. You have a shout me. You should have shout me and call me, man. Come on, I make time, you know.
Are you G Josh?
I'm a G,
You
man.
have everything for the car. Last year, you do it with this.
Yeah. Last year, I did busy too. I did promise, you know. But I forgot.
I forgot. 50 Shades.
50 Shades. No.
When you from there, or 50 Shades?
Eh?
Am I party?
When you from there, from that day?
50 Shades?
Yeah, from there.
You don't know my party, Josh?
No, party.
When you
50 when that?
October the 17th.
October
Keep it at 30
17th.
days, now keep that square, man. Big party, man.
But I have a pass through then.
You have
shoot
papers?
something.
You have no.
All the size of the
So come big up your people, no? Fine, man.
But me check say, me never know you cut. Me check say you talk when me talk now.
Eh?
Wait, me check say, yeah, me never know you cut. The
Cut.
colors that tell you things you never cut. Then me check say, me dey on camera and there you talk and I smile. The big smile when you put up, Josh.
Yeah.
Me man them know say your hometown this.
Yeah,
And
man.
we say Josh.
Mm-hmm.
And there is no other Josh but one Josh.
Respect, man. That
You understand?
is it. Mm-hmm.
Look on the side. We have Bill Cambridge, you understand?
Yeah,
Alright.
that is it. One Ricky, you know.
Every time.
That is it. Guys, what the power way still? Look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, guys, graduation settings now, you know. Them are my G, you know, guys, and me need to actually do something for him. But June the 6th, I not think me did up here at that time, guys. So that completely slipped my mind. You know, sometimes as YouTuber we just get caught up, you know. So it's like totally forgot, guys. But that am my bad still, Ricky. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Don't know them man, they are my G, guys, you know. Yeah, man. Enough respect. So guys, go on lock in. Go on watch how go on. Don't know. time. Big up Migs, aka Color Smith TV. Yeah man. And the event, well, we don't know one of the event them gone already, that are the 27 that gone already. So the one coming July 4th, guys, more want to know if you buy me tickets, you know, show some support, show some love. Yeah, and so you can go on his channel and look in the community tab and see all of the details that you guys will need to know how to get your tickets. But yeah man guys, we are going to touch out and go up to the graduation here right now. So go on lucky in same way guys. I find a little parking. So yeah man, that is it. Alright guys, check in again. So just find the parking. Yeah man, so as me say guys, I'm a little bit under the weather. I have a key? I have a key. Oh. So yeah man guys, we are going to go up at the church now. We got a graduation. And yeah, I stand corrected. This is actually not Jalen's graduation, but she gonna do something there. So I think she's gonna be acting or something. But I don't know, I'm like a sister, so I have to support her. And also more make the video so she can look back and see it, you see me guys. So yeah man, that is it. Same time, mom's checking with people.
Hi guys, how are you? Oh,
Mom's also came, she come from work guys, so we are gonna support her, make she feel happy, you know. That is it. Go on lucky in same way.
Line 3. And when you are trying to find good friends,
you can let
so the circle of a friend is someone who punishes you in the right direction. They might not do it well, but look at the intention. I am trying to make the right choice. So you're trying to hear God's voice and then try to make the right choice. What is the right choice? The right what you learn can still make you memories, and then you will learn. That is the so making the right choice comes with effort.
Excellent. I love how you address it. You saw how his educating skills came out in that. Can we have another round of applause for him? Experience, you are doing a good job. Keep it up. Alright, so now we move to the part of the program where our students will come into focus. They will receive their awards for grade 5 and 6. The awards are for grade 5 and 6. There will be, I don't keep missing an item. But item from grade 5 and 6 will precede the presentation of the awards.
Alright guys, check in again. So graduation still keeping. However, I go make a quick run go somewhere and come back, you know, cause we have something to do guys. So Jillian already did her part. So basically she did a play, which I never quite catch, but them say them have a recording of it, so I might just find it and, you know, add it to the video so you guys can see. But yeah man guys, as you can hear, my son a bit under the weather for some reason, and I don't know if it's because of the river trip or I don't know guys, but yeah, I'm kinda a little bit under the flu or something. But yeah man guys, go on lock in. I think tomorrow we have some things we want to do as well. Probably drop off the laptop, and then we have an an interesting video for you guys. Like always, we're gonna be visiting a farm, but I don't want to tell you exactly what type of farm this is. But yeah, man, we're gonna make some. We're gonna make something as well. I'm not telling them, I'm not giving too much details because I want them to watch what I'm going, you know. But go on lucky in same way, guys. We'll check in back soon. Alright, guys, check in. Graduation over. So she get award, guys. Me I go cover up piece her name because yeah. So see there, guys, she get award. Yeah, you happy? Alright, guys, so I'm gonna carry home now. Me have to try to see if we can get some ice cream or something up the road.
There's ice cream selling up there.
Or reach us already. Well, me have a local ice cream spot where me buy from, guys. So I'll just get her some and try to see if we can get her cake or something. But guys, go on lock in. Go on watch what go on. So we'll check in back today, guys. You happy? You get ice cream. Which ice cream? Let me see. Pistachio. Alright, guys, so we just get her some ice cream. Now my voice I get. You want to say something?
Hi guys.
Yeah, man, peeps, that is it. I don't know, it seems like the flow get worse, you know, guys. But I touch back down. Maybe myself at the ball field and see what them do, guys, because I think they might play football today. A league or so. I'm supposed to play, but guys, go on lucky in the time late. Watch it. 6:49. So yeah.
They're going to find.
Alright, guys, check in what's going on. So right now we're on our way down, you see me, guys. So today basically we're gonna try get some stuff done. So first things first, I'm gonna go on technician to make him look on the MacBook, and then after that I'm gonna meet up with Auntie Sham, you see me. So I'm gonna check in, make sure check in, we do nothing. But yeah, as of right now, guys, we're on our way down, me and Moms. Yeah, so go on lock in, guys. Go on watch what go on, see what the day has to offer, you know. So yeah, man, that is. Yeah, man, guys, update on the flu. Feel a little bit better today, but still not as 100 as before, you know. But may I get better, guys. So yeah, man, hopefully by the end of the week we're good, you know. Might have to get some supplements or something for help boost my immune system or something. But yeah, I feel like I probably the river trip, cause same thing Rum did. I tell me say him never want dip him head in the water because him never want to get sick. Cause you know hot and cold when you mix that, yeah, man, you get sick, guys. So maybe I that. I didn't get so much goat.
Who's goat?
I don't know, I must have never drive. Watch it.
But then would if you get up? Some of them sit down on the road there. Chris. You got them food? Watch it. You move?
You move now. Charger peeps up on my eye them, watch it. Guys, may I go get a smoothie today or something? For sure. Guys, time is now 11:15. So I check carry on. 9:50. I mean I say 11:15, guys. Why me keep on I say 9:15? So the time fairly early. So me I hope we can get everything done today, guys, cause you know the week I got hectic. I have a lot of video ideas me have in mind I need to execute. So yeah, man, hopefully all of the downtown stuff can get sorted out today, so we now have to go back, guys. I understand. So yeah, but nonetheless, guys, they're on our way. Mommy I drive. So like see when I drive, you know what I mean?
Yeah, really?
Yeah. So guys, go on lock in, go and watch what I go on, that is it. Project coming up, you know, guys. I know I'm excited to hear that, but we'll start probably like let me see, next week, next 2 weeks or so, because I try to get the stuff them together, get the ideas together. So I know I'm gonna like it, guys. I propose the idea to moms and she like it, so I know I'm gonna like it. But yeah man guys, that is it. When I reach on the flat set, so when I reach, check in back with the guys, so go on lock in same way. Guys, she give away herself while ago. She tell me about she eat half full of mango there.
You know, mango leaves, no?
How much I sell left? 3?
About 3.
Jesus.
Before what them?
Then tastes good.
Yeah.
That is it, guys. I tell her, say she love mango, you know, guys. Like, she love mango to a point where it kinda, I don't even know, but she love mango. Next week again, we get some for you, you know. If mango time not done yet.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not, though. But yeah, guys, that is it. We're still up on the move when I
Can you
reach.
travel along the road, huh? Can you travel along the road and find some blackie?
Yeah, blackie up here.
Yeah.
Blackie up here. Alright guys, check in. So right now for the Alpha tree, and we just check the technician. Him say I'm go check it out for me, let me know what boy. So I give him like 5 minutes to go back. Hopefully I'm not major, you know. So yeah man guys, still to meet up with Sham. So hopefully by 1 o'clock we finish this. Can get for go. So go on lock in same way guys. Go on watch what go on. That is it. Peeps, alright, check in. So the man just get back to me. Say it gonna cost 25,000 JMD if you fix it. But the thing is guys, this is my school laptop, so I just have to pay and done. Get it fixed. Right now we're the Clock Tower Plaza.
People, check it out.
Alright, so go
Now
on, lock in.
open.
Go on, watch
Vegas
out,
Dreams Restaurant.
Alright guys, check in. So just to leave the store now. Pay the cash. So I'm say by 2 to 3 days we can come back for it and get it, guys. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over Sham. As we said before. So guys, go on, lock in, see him. Go on, watch out, go on. Alright guys, check in. So right now we reach over Auntie Sham, but guess what? Auntie Sham gone on graduation, guys. So never wait for her for a little while. So in the meantime, I'm gonna buy something to eat and drink and everything. But yeah man guys, the flow get better, voice are clear up back. Yesterday my voice is totally gone. They wonder how me gonna make video for you guys, but yeah man guys, now we almost 100%. So yeah man, so we check in back with you guys. Auntie Sham soon reach. I'm gonna call her, make sure know that I'm here. So go on, lock in, same way. Go on, watch what go on. Yeah man, that is it. Alright guys. Alright guys, check in. So yeah man, meet up with Auntie Sham. Yeah, Anton, Sarah drive.
What is it, people?
A long time I don't do no video with Shams, guys. Yeah man, but soon them time there again. So we do everything we need to do today. So tomorrow now we have a video coming up for you guys. So go on, lock in. Alright guys, check in. So back home now, you see me? And the time is, as you can see, so 8:49. So guys, right now we're gonna try to get some fruits, cause I don't know, the flu seems like it now wanna go away, guys. So we're gonna get some fruits. We can active up for tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow we're gonna be exploring somewhere, so more to be as active as possible. So me I try to get the flu out of my system. You see me guys? So right now I'm in my community, so I just walk, go up on the local stall them. See me can get some fruits, guys. So go on, lock in, go on, watch how go on, and yeah man guys, that is it. Alright guys, check in. Been walking for about 15 minutes now. Yes, I guess I can say may I burn off the flu, guys. But yeah man, we'll soon reach where I get the stuff, which is the, I don't know them have, you usually have grape, orange and apples. So I don't know if I get what we can get though, guys, cause really need to be 100% tomorrow, cause tomorrow is gonna be hectic, So as I say guys, go on like in same way, soon reach. So let's go guys. Looky here. So I don't know if them see my video, cause we make like 2 videos saying yo the road needs to fix, the road are fixed now. So yeah man, that's a good sign. Now guys, never do really want to say this, but like me have a little touch of asthma. Like as a child me have asthma really bad, but it gone, guys, and I don't know, like I don't know if it a come back, but God forbid. So what am I gonna do now? Get the stuff. As me say guys, the way how asthma kinda work, when you get flu or anything like that, it will kinda come back. But after the flu pass, you're good. So I don't know if it's that case or what, guys, but yeah man, it kinda bad, guys. Look on the time now, 9:07. So yeah man, we've been a walk for quite a while now. So let's go on lock in same way, watch what I go on. Yeah man, and big up to this, cause me like so the road are fixed now, guys. We can drive way better. It's looking good. So whoever do this, big up. Alright guys, check in. So we have some bad news. Fruits man gone. so I end up just buy a water instead. So guys, seem like we have to tug it out until tomorrow, but nonetheless I make it work. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Big up on yourself, and I don't know. One Just Lifestyle, JA, and I'm out. Big up.